you know, that would be real nice to just be able to use a gun like the Growl and not have to use this. Jeez. This nuke. All right, let's get it, man.
I'm doing the Mac Growl after this game.
Let's get it. Beautiful. I'm landing on the roof. Or actually, no, I'm not. I'm going right in.
Okay.
Clear to engage all targets. Enemies dropping into the AO.
Dude, this game, like, what are you doing with the helicopter, man? You having a good time, Cannon family? You're not doing anything with your life, is that why?
If you survive, you earn your freedom.
You don't have a
You win
life?
this fight and you return to the front line.
Cannon, you don't have a life?
Done here. You're up, soldier. Now go sort this fucker out.
Boom. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Ugh. Let's have a fun gulag. Out of...
What game am I fucking playing right now, champ?
Holy fuck! They're everywhere, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. The coordination on this
Your
team.
teammates were sent to the gulag.
Oh.
They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
I gotta get out of here.
Your teammate is redeploying. Stand by.
I think this is the worst state this game's ever been in.
By far. Not even, it's not even close. I would rather the R9 meta. I'd rather the R9 meta right now. I'll tell you what I actually would prefer, Doc. You know what I'm saying? I prefer neither. You know what I mean? Is it too hard to ask for? You know?
Nah, you're
just
asking.
like a balanced meta?
You're asking for too much.
I think I am asking for too much, man. It's like they never can have this game in a state of like... It's crazy. It's like, well, gee, you don't have the answers. No, I 100% have the answers, man. I'm telling you, when they nerfed the Bruin, the game was in the best state possible, and then the R9, then they buffed the shotguns, and then boom, right back to shit land. It's like, it's crazy, man.
Yeah, man, we just need $100.
Just inbound.
They just bought loadout out front of Super.
Okay.
I don't even. Oh man, I just don't even want to go over there. I just like four DMRs. I can just already, I can already tell. I don't even have to know. I just know. Sixth sense.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy
Let's go get
UAV
ours.
overhead.
That's probably their UAV as well.
Then bring him in.
We're out of time. Scrub the contract.
I got dead silent.
Field upgrade here. Disregard that.
All right, let's go get it.
Got one on the left, one shot.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Right above.
Kind of weak there, but
Got one, he's up, one's up top. Down one.
On the buy.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's people
Pushing
sniping.
in. He's pushing in.
One's window.
It's not over.
Pushed in.
I'm looking. Yeah, two of them. I cracked one.
Same. Knocked one.
Another one pushed in.
Throwing stun grenade.
I got him stunned.
Another.
There we go.
Down.
Enemies
Hold on,
dropping
flying
into
in.
the AO.
Wow. You know what, Doc?
Right here.
Reload.
He's on the loadout, on top.
Okay. I'm about to
lo-
snipe him in the face.
He just jumped down. Right here.
Enemy
Saw that.
UAV overhead.
Oh my god! Oh, wow. He's on that car still.
You live. Knock it out.
I have no plates.
I don't have any.
No worries. Go
Guys.
over here to the right.
UAV overhead.
This guy's terrible too.
Turn left.
Enemies dropping into the AO. Being
Is he
tracked
still
by
out
an
there?
enemy
Yeah.
team. Stay sharp.
Same
Telling you.
spot, or-
I'm te-
I
no,
saw-
he went back further.
I saw. Let's get our loadout. Let's get our loadout.
I think another one just flew in though. All right, let's get our loadout.
Yeah, that guy's over at Tech. I watched him run over there.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
I could buy you a...
Taking
great.
direct fire.
On top of, I don't even know.
Right.
Virgin? SOS?
I had to get some plates.
Gas
No,
is
I
moving
did
in.
too, I
New
did too.
safe zone located.
Here you go. I'm dropping my cash for you. Boom.
We got another loadout for Ghost.
Friendly loadout drop on the way. Enemy UAV overhead.
My game just crashed. Oh, okay. Never mind. Apparently I'm good. Oh, and then I picked the wrong class. I love it.
It's one of those days.
I'll drive.
Yeah, I'm gonna go hit this second loadout, try to get my stuff back. Vehicle
Alright.
rolling over.
You love that little rat-a-tat coming out of the vehicle, huh?
It just automatically shoots it for me. I don't even press anything.
All right.
Vehicle up here, trying to drive away. He's on the train.
This guy. Oh no, never mind. Never mind. I'm looking.
Oh no, he's in the vehicle, past the train. I think there's more people over here or something.
Yeah, on top of the
yeah,
roof.
Yeah, on top of the corner. Yeah.
Got an enemy.
Cracked him.
I'm beaming him. I'm beaming him.
Yep.
Bye-bye.
Enemy UAV overhead. Gas is inbound.
Two of them.
I got a plate.
Time to
Okay,
kill me.
got one.
he down on you?
Here's Johnny. Here's Johnny.
Gear located.
Car coming in. Oh, come on, baby.
I see that.
Crossover. There you go. There you go.
Dead.
Uh-huh. Helicopter in distance. Oh
Oh
my!
my God, Doc. Oh my.
Enemy got track of you. You're safe.
I hit the other one a few times as well. Oh man, they're weak. They're weak.
UAV overhead.
Yeah, they're jumping out. I don't know why I threw that down, but I did. Shots over here.
I'm hearing, yeah. I see one.
Moving.
Dead.
Oh, good night.
Oh, he's a one shot. He's knocked. He's a one shot. I got the kill.
Okay. Vehicle behind us moving. Right. No, never mind.
Where is this guy's team? No heartbeat on police.
Resident in the middle field.
I see that. Sniper shots. I think I just heard someone on my left. No, maybe not. Oh, guy on the...
What happened?
Where was that? Where was that?
What is this guy? Why is he coming here to look this way? I don't know. This guy just did the weirdest angle peek. What's he fucking staring down the street for, huh? I don't get it.
Come on up.
Now this dude is staring on his third monitor, Z. Yeah.
You got this.
Unreal. What, like, how is he knowing every position I go to? He's tracking me through the...
Let me. I gotta see too. I mean, it's the same guy. Killed me.
I mean, he also could have just heard my footsteps. Like, I'm not gonna just
Yeah.
call it anything, but he's fucking knowing every angle I'm trying to peek him at. Every angle I'm trying to go to, he knows where I'm going. Oh man, oh man.
I'm spectating this guy for a little bit. I just gotta see.
I hate this meta so much, bro. Oh, I don't want to use these guns. I don't want to. But if I don't, I'm at the biggest disadvantage possible. I hate the meta even more. It's crazy, man. It's such a endless cycle.
You think he's hacking at all? Like wall hacks? Or
I don't know. He could have just tracked me with audio.
Yeah.
He was close enough for that. So yeah,
True.
I don't know.
I think he did see you go upstairs right there.
Yeah, I do too. I watched the kill cam there. Yep. Unfortunate.
Leave game with party. We're on the tail end of 2020, Z.
Battle Royale.
Yes, we are.
All right, soldier. Mark a
Oh,
drop
man.
point for your team.
Gotta finish strong.
You've got gas closing in.
We do.
fast. Get
We
to
do
the
gotta
safe
finish
zone.
strong.
Starting with calf raises.
Cap raises. Going into some lunges.
Coming.
Potentially.
Deep lunges.
You get the buttocks shaking.
Buttocks. Oh, I'm ready, man. I'm not warmed up at all, but I'm ready. Oh, I'm not warm, but I am warm. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
All at the same time. And no, I can't.
Okay. You're not warm yet.
Yeah, I'm not warm, you know.
Remember, you don't have 10 ping servers.
If they survive, they can redeploy.
Oh, yeah.
Remember, we're in quads.
Your teammate is redeploying.
There it
Stand
is.
by.
I've never even seen this weapon before. The punch line? Shoddy?
I'm on the way back to you.
Save your skin on that one. Save your skin on...
You're in the gulag now. Fight to earn redeployment. You win this fight and you return to the front line. If you lose, you're done here. Time to earn your freedom, soldier.
I'm never gonna lose!
Stand by.
I'm never gonna lose from that spot, Z, all day! I got a multi-million-dollar idea. It just came to my head right now, in real time.
What's that?
The ability to buy another gulag for yourself. Cost you 20K.
Wow. I actually really like that. I really like that. Honestly, anything that will allow for more kills, I'm always in for. I like that.
This team definitely moved to our west. I think we push them. They're gonna get their loadout. They haven't already.
Yep. I threw a plate box in the front of the store if you need it.
Huh.
I can also drop a couple.
No. I don't think this team went this way.
All right, well, we can get our loadout here.
Roger.
Go ahead and drop that moolah.
Absolutely. Boom.
Thank you, sir.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Eddie right there.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab this vehicle over here. Ooh. I wonder where this team went. I don't know. Must have dipped off to the other buy.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm $100 away from a UAV, whatever.
Trophy system online.
Let's go find them.
Let's get them!
I mean, we could get a bounty here too. I don't see anything at all though.
Grab them by the ankles and pull them under the door, huh?
Yep.
Oh.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Right up here. On our left. On our left. And on our right. And
Yep.
on our right.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm going right in this building.
Enemy dropping into the AR.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Yep, they're in the truck. You just land on top of the roof. Right up here.
Enemy located.
Getting him. They just bought back on you, huh?
Yep, got one.
Another one on the backside there. Knocked him.
Yep. Finished him. There was another guy over here.
Relocated.
Broke that guy.
I'm driving.
How about I go break their face?
Go break his face.
Oh, he's running.
I'm coming to you. Hold on.
Bro, what?
Bye.
Friendly UAV.
UAV up.
Oh, look at him. Look at him. Scattered.
Moving. I'm driving.
One's really
I'm
trying to
gonna
get
take
ahead.
care of these two.
Down one. Down two. I think he's on the outside of the wall. I feel like I'm in a wagers. You and I just splitting.
Yeah, we don't even need to run it together at this moment. I feel like we're so dialed in. I told you I was warmed up.
I'm going down right here.
No, no, no.
Yeah. He's one shot. He's easy too.
I'm going to get him. I'm going to get him.
Fucking nade. I didn't think the nade was gonna blow up the tire truck.
Look at all of... Oh, man. Here it goes.
Taking direct fire.
That guy's not. The other guy's on top of the box to your left. Little boxes. Yep. Easy. Oh, look at this guy. Let me get involved too.
Jumping into an intense situation, let's jump right into the action.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, we're on board Z Laner. Can he capitalize on this guy's mistake and get the job done? Boom. This guy goes down immediately. That is it. That's it for that team. And Z Laner without the mask, potentially could die. No, he does have a mask, ladies and gentlemen. But now...
faster with my weapon, or... I think I'm actually making it out of here.
You're going to make it out. Easy. Easy. Don't worry about that guy.
Yeah,
Oh.
shoot at me again.
Yeah, don't worry about healing up. There you go.
I don't even want to.
Dude, I got up. I'll peek him.
I just know they're not even going to touch me. You know what I mean?
Yeah, there's this guy. Oh, God, I don't know how. What am I going to do? I can't even see him, bro.
Oh no! Gosh darn it!
Oh, man.
Doc, as a former Division I All-American and Division I coach, I always look to the legs. I would also look for athletes who typically played more than one sport, says Arreruto with a $10 donation. Thank you. That's my point about Carson Wentz. I just don't see mobility and movement and...
I might res you back right here, Doc. I'll take the time out of my day. Out of my game. I'm a nice guy, you know.
But that's just me. I like the guy. I like him. I like, you know, his mentality and everything, and the positive, you know. They had that nice run that 1 year. But I don't know, man.
Oh, peeking the edge. Mistake.
These guys are just a bunch of dum-dums, huh?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I mean, when I said what the narrative was today was we're going to get out here and show them how to do it right. I mean, these are the guys I was talking about. They're doing it wrong. You know what I mean?
I'm landing at my dead body in the gas.
I love that.
Oh, look at this. Yeah?
Oh, Doc, it's just a different breed.
Got
you
one
know?
behind you. I think another one over here somewhere.
Relocating.
Oh, he's wrapping around the backside.
On the roof. On
Two
the
of them.
roof,
Two of
Tommy.
them.
Oh man, I just destroyed these guys. Oh man, I should have just C4'd the car, but I. Yeah, right on the buy station. Just bought back.
Yeah, I got out of there.
Oh yeah, no, get out of there. Get out of there.
There was 2 guys on the roof.
Objective
Oh,
is
here they
to
come.
eliminate the bounty target.
If only I had a nice little weapon, I'd gatekeep just a little bit. Just a little tad.
That pistol, Doc. That pistol is insane. That you just ran by. I'm not being sarcastic. That's it right there. Even just the single version up close, like two bursts, you'll kill him.
Ascend.
Enemy UAV.
I'm getting this guy.
Oh yeah, dead silence it up.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Could have went in the doorway.
Yeah. Nothing?
He must have rammed.
Down. Well done.
Oh.
Looks like he went right through here, huh?
You can smell him, huh?
I can smell him.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
He's right up top. I'm
Enemy
going in. I'm
UAV
all in. I'm all in.
I know you got the Google prototypes to see better. Do you also have like some kind of like nostril implants or
Enemy
something like
soldier
that?
incoming.
How did you know? Oh, hey.
Just a guess, you know.
The timing of that is just nuts. It's sickening. That's what it is.
I'm slamming back some popcorn right now.
Guy up top here.
I'm in their sights. Enemy UAV overhead.
Give it to him. Bye. There we go.
Good night.
Gas is closing in.
Come on back.
Enemy
back.
UAV overhead.
Back on
Am
the
I-
streets. I'm going with the sniper. Throwing this down.
Some fighting going on right over here.
Here, locate.
I guess I can grab some plates, huh? Probably smart. How much are plates? 14? 12?
15.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Oh, I really want to kill that guy.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I gotta take my time. Oh, I'm hearing those Diomedes.
All right, oh, you can hear them? What do they sound like?
Pew, pew.
Hmm.
Pew, pew.
Come on, baby. Give me just a little bit. Just a little bit of cash. There you go. I'm going to get some plates now.
Oh!
Enemy UAV overhead.
Right here.
Yeah, I'm so dead.
I didn't know that ADS speed was gonna take 5 seconds. All right.
Yeah, I had a guy creeping around in my building. It's all good.